Hello, thanks for being in a new video. Today, Isa Marcial Real could not join us for family reasons, but instead I am here to update you on the world of technology. The OnePlus 2 has just been unveiled with a design practically the same as the OnePlus 11 but more refined. It seems that OnePlus also joined this trend of not changing the design. Something also negative is that it has IP65 certification that if it makes it resistant to dust, but it cannot be submerged in water, and being a high-end, this could disappoint us. But in positive things, it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with versions from 12 to 24 gigabytes of RAM, LPDDR, VX and storage of 256 GB, 512 gigabytes and a terabyte UFS 4.0. To cool the processor, it has a vapor chamber of 9,140 square millimeters, so it is expected to no longer have heating problems unlike its past generations that suffered a lot with this issue. Its screen is 6.82 inches OLED with a slight curve made by BOE. It has a resolution of 3,168 by 1,440 pixels, having a pixel density of 510 pixels per inch. It has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, but it has LTPO technology, so it can go down to 1 Hz, and its dimming rate is 2,160 Hz to avoid visual fatigue. But the most remarkable thing is that it has a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, so we are in front of one of the brightest screens in the industry. For the photographic system, we have good news, as it integrates the same system of the OnePlus Open, that is, 50 megapixel main camera with Sony LIT808 sensor with optical stabilization, 64 megapixel periscope camera with an OmniVision sensor. It is the OV64V with a 3x optical zoom, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera with Sony IMX, 581 sensor with autofocus, and lastly, the front camera is 32 megapixels. It has support for 5G networks, Wi-Fi 7, which is somewhat remarkable, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and its USB Type-C port is 3.2 Gen 1 to have high speed in data transfer. It comes with Color OS 14 based on Android 14. Its battery is 5,400 milliamps, so good performance is expected, and it supports 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging, plus 10 watts reverse charging. The most basic unit is priced at 4,299 yuan, which is about $605, but the prices here are not the same as over there. While the most expensive unit is priced at 5,799 yuan, which is about $820. But remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. At the moment, this device has been presented in China and will be on sale from December 11th in that region and probably will be released globally until next year. For the moment, this has been all for this video. If you liked it, you know you can indicate it, and we'll see you next time.